11 days to go, and I'm further behind than I was yesterday. I need a new oil pressure sending unit, thermostat, water pump, balance shaft, belt, timing belt. What else I need over here? That might cover it on the front of the engine. Take a walk with me. Obviously, I need a fuel filter. I also need a fuel pump. The rotors are bad, so I need new rotors, all four corners. And for those of you that know anything about these cars, I'm missing something right here. I am missing an exhaust. So, yeah. 11 more days to go, and I don't have an exhaust.